What is your favorite Chichora song?
हुआ छोकरा चमारे चबारे चबारे. लोग मुझे पूछते हैं तुम्हारा रियल नाम है डॉली, तुम्हारे पेपर पे भी यही नाम है. And now I feel like after naming this whole thing Dollywood, I feel like it was always meant to be.
What's worse, him using "Oh my Dolly Dolly" vitamin ki goli, or him enacting Govinda and saying "Dolly Dolly 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 Dolly"? What's worse?
This one, the Govinda one, because I am so traumatized by it. When it had come, I was in school.
Yeah.
And they had released this trailer, and वो trailer में Govinda Dolly 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 कर रहा था. And I am from a small town, so everybody knows everybody.
Yeah.
मेरा जीना हराम हो गया था.
Hello and welcome. You're watching me on Switch, and I have Dolly Singh with me. Welcome to Switch. How are you feeling?
Hi, I'm good. I'm feeling very good.
I want to know, there's an interview that happened just before us, which was iDiva, and that's where, of course, you also started. So,
Yes.
how does it feel like to be interviewed by them?
I know. I mean, yeah, I've been on the other side also. So it definitely is like a full circle moment. I also met so many of my old crew members and bhaiyas, and it was a very sweet, like, sort of reunion.
Yeah. Whatever you're doing right now, did you think that you would do that? Did you manifest any of it?
Not really. I mean, see, content creation to khair tha hi nahi, something like that. We never knew
Yeah.
it existed when we were young. So obviously not that. But I definitely always wanted to be in front of the camera.
Yeah.
So, you know, kahin na kahin wo has definitely, become true, because I used to, I won't say manifest, but I would definitely dream about those things and be like, and I was also very much into fashion. So I was like, maybe, you know, I'll get to wear like nice clothes one day, and I'll have shoes and this and that. And
Yeah.
they were such a far-fetched dream, you know, when I was younger, and now that I'm living it, and I do feel like it sometimes you have to have that pinch me moment where I'm like, oh my God, it's happening, you know, because you live your life, you forget taking it seriously, you're constantly thinking of the next thing.
Yeah.
अब क्या करना है, और better कर सकती हूँ, और ये और वो, and you forget that where you are actually right now is also a part of that dream that you had all the time. So
Yeah.
sometimes, yeah, I do remind myself that this is also your dream, the one that
Yeah.
you're living right now. So be good.
Did you do you manifest things, or do you like have a regime where like 11/11 हो गया, कर लेती हूँ wish, maybe it works?
All of it. I don't think, like, I'm not like blinded by it in the sense कि
Yeah.
सिर्फ manifestation से वैसे भी कुछ नहीं हो सकता. But I remember reading the book The Secret
Yeah.
way back, like when I was in college. And उससे पहले तक I used to be a big pessimist. Like, I would generally think of the worst, outcomes that can happen rather
Yeah.
than thinking of the good outcomes. I would think more negatively. But after reading that book, and not that that book is any, I'm not saying anything. It's not no holy grail or anything.
Yeah.
You read it if you want to read it. I'm not saying anything. But when I read it, it did give me the perspective that अगर सोचना ही है, तो अच्छा सोच लो. You know, think in the positive side, because ये तो सिर्फ तुम्हारे दिमाग में है ना, अभी तो पता नहीं है कुछ कि
Yeah.
क्या होने वाला है. So think positive, because not only manifestation, और वो तो भूल जाओ कि उसकी वजह से होता है नहीं होता है, I don't know, but I feel like it does put you in a good mindset where you're
Correct.
happy and you're looking forward to that outcome, you
Correct.
know. So I think that really changed a lot of things for me, because when you're thinking negative all the time and thinking of the worst possible situations, it takes a mental toll also, because you're constantly worried and you're nervous and this and that. And I think once you start thinking positive, ke ho jayega yaar, it'll happen. And not
Yeah.
saying that every situation I take it like that. Obviously, there are still situations where I don't know what to do. But I feel like that positive outlook has really helped me, and that positive outlook in an extreme form is manifestation only. So
Yeah.
I think I do like to say things out loud, which are like, एक दिन तो मैं ये करूँगी, एक दिन तो मैं वो करूँगी, you know. But मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे वो नहीं फॉलो करती जो इंस्टाग्राम पे इतना होता है. But
Yeah.
हाँ, कभी-कभी फोन पे अगर 11/11 दिख गया, या हम पे बैठे हुए हैं और किसी ने देख लिया, तो बोलते हैं 11/11, and everybody just like shuts their eyes and makes a wish. I do like it. I think it's very
Yeah.
cute.
Do you plan your dreams? Like, did you plan in a way that this is what I want to achieve?
Oh, like that. I was like, dreams कैसे planet? Interstellar, what?
Like, do you plan like, acha, maybe this is my short-term goal and this is where I want to be?
मैं Interstellar बोल रही हूँ, Inception. Don't come at me. Sorry to
Yeah.
cut you off.
Do you plan like what you want to do in the next, like, say 2 years, 3 years? Do you work like that, or do you let things happen as they are?
I don't. I think there's a middle ground there. I'm not a very strategic planner. In fact, I'm not strategic in any way.
Yeah.
I see a lot of my peers and contemporaries, and सबके तरीके होते हैं, not just them, but I feel like as human beings, there are people who like to watch statistics and read the data and plan things and really
Yeah.
like do it that way. For me, it's mostly like go with the flow, and मेरे दिल में मुझे पता होता है कि अच्छा मेरा next सपना ये है, like my next dream is to direct a movie and feature in like more Bollywood projects, write more things and do so much more with Dollywood. So ये सारी dreams हैं, but I don't take them like ये टाइमलाइन है, अब मैं ये करूंगी, फिर मैं ये करूंगी, अच्छा बट ये नहीं हुआ, और ये मतलब मैं उस तरीके से थोड़ा नहीं कर पाती हूँ शायद. आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक दोज आर माई लिमिटेशंस, बट आई डू हैव द ड्रीम्स, आई डू प्लान देम इन दैट सेंस. हवा में एक प्लान तो बन ही जाता है, एंड आई कीप लुकिंग एट देम एंड आई यूज देम एज माई गाइडिंग फैक्टर टू दिस इज द डायरेक्शन आई वांट टू गो इन. बट आई don't like sit down and plan them that way, and maybe that's why it takes time.
Where did the idea for Dollywood come?
So for the longest time, I mean, see, Bollywood is taking a time. It's auditions भी कम आते हैं, कुछ पता नहीं क्या होगा, कितना opportunity मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, and there is a bit of there is acting का कीड़ा for sure, but there is also writing का कीड़ा and directing का कीड़ा in me, and I think and this is not something that I was growing up with, but this is definitely something that has happened in the last few years, is that I've loved filmmaking as a process. I like watching a lot of films and directors, so many people whose work speaks to me. And then I think about like what kind of stories I want to tell. And I've enjoyed writing also a lot. So I feel like I've found these different aspects about myself जो मुझे पहले शायद नहीं इतने दिखते थे. And I want to take up those very seriously, and because बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे कब होगा कब नहीं पता नहीं, so I thought why not अभी जो प्लेटफॉर्म है उसको भी अच्छे से यूज़ किया जाए and do these dreams on a smaller scale on this platform. So I thought कुछ कोई नहीं दे रहा तो मैं खुद ही कुछ कर लेती हूँ, and I think that's how Dollywood came around, because I wanted to do these mini films. मैं कर रही थी काफ़ी टाइम से, but उसका कोई नाम नहीं था, उसकी कोई जगह नहीं थी. माइक्रो ड्रामा वगैरह भी शुरू किया. So Dollywood sort of became like, I was like मेरे बाकी कंटेंट के बीच में ये सब मिक्स भी होने लग गया था ना, कि सिनेमैटिक चीज़ हो रही है तो उसके बीच में कोई डिफ्रेंसिएशन नहीं था. तो आई ओपन दैट पेज, एंड ऑब्वियसली नाउ वी कॉल इट प्रोडक्शंस, एंड वी ऑब्वियसली यूज इट एज आवर डॉलीवुड प्रोडक्शन पेज. बट it's for me like a landing page where people can go see that kind of work that I do, and Dollywood can have its separate identity, because obviously regularly तो मैं बहुत तरीके के content बनाती हूँ. कुछ content बहुत low उस पे भी होता है, low effort भी होता है कि outfit पहना और थोड़ा सा moves किए and हो गया, so I wanted to just separate those two, where this dolly is a separate dolly and this dolly is a different dolly. So उसके लिए I did that, and I think वो Dollywood का idea ऐसी, नाम तो ऐसी, I feel like I was just saying कि मुझे बचपन से लगता था कि पता नहीं क्यों मेरा ऐसा नाम रख दिया डॉली, लाइक लोग मुझे पूछते तुम्हारा रियल नाम है डॉली, तुम्हारे पेपर पे भी यही नाम है. तो लाइक ऑलवेज हैड दिस लव हेट रिलेशनशिप विद माय नेम, एंड नाउ आई फील लाइक आफ्टर नेमिंग दिस होल थिंग डॉलीवुड, आई फील लाइक इट वाज ऑलवेज मेंट टू बी. क्योंकि अगर मेरा नाम कीर्ति होता तो कीर्तिवुड शायद उतना पसंद नहीं आता, या साक्षीवुड शायद उतना नहीं होता, बट लाइक डॉलीवुड थोड़ा फिट हो जाता है. सो मुझे लगता है शायद भगवान यही चाहते थे.
What did you ever have that moment in your life where you thought कि okay maybe I have arrived now? Like oh अब मैंने कुछ कर लिया है अब लाइफ में. Like it could be anything. It could be like just like a lot of people recognizing you, a famous person recognizing you.
I think for me, honestly speaking, that first moment happened when I had posted a story saying I'm craving Taco Bell, and I didn't even tag them. This is when I was at IDEVA, when I was working, and I barely had any followers. And the next day in office, I get a call that we are outside, we are from Taco Bell, and we want to give you food. And they gave me a lot of food and gifts, and we had a party. So that was a moment where I was like, wow, famous हो गई.
Do you use that often now?
मेरी story देख के लोग मुझे खाना बेच रहे हैं. नहीं, I don't use that.
Every time you want to have something, McDonald's खाने का.
Actually, maybe I should start doing it again. But नहीं, because उससे भी लगा नहीं था ऐसा हो जाएगा, and then it happened, and I was like, oh my god, like I didn't know I had this much power.
Yeah.
But हाँ, और खाना था तो वैसे ही it's like a great moment,
Yeah.
So
I want to talk about how you've evolved as a creator. Of course, you started with like iDiva videos, and when you were leaving those and like maybe trying something new, did you ever feel like कि यार मेरी audience तो मुझे इसी चीज से जानती है? Did you have that like fear that maybe people would not maybe like what I'm trying to do next?
yeah, and it has happened also because it's been so many years. We've tried, like, I started with a fashion blog, then I did comedy with South Delhi and Raju Ki Mummy and all these exaggerated characters.
Yeah.
Then the trend changed. People didn't want to see those.
Yeah.
Then they wanted to see very real people. They wanted to see you, who you are, what you do, authenticity, And I was doing those characters, and there were people who were saying, ये क्यों करती हो? Then when I stopped doing it and I tried something new, there were people saying, do those only.
Yeah.
So it was very confusing. There was a period of time where I was very confused as to what I want to do. मैं चीज़ें करती थी अपने लिए, फिर लोगों को पसंद नहीं आते थे, कुछ लोग चाहते थे मैं वही वापस से बस वही करती रहूं, पर जब मैं वो करती थी वापस, अगर साउथ दिल्ली गर्ल या राजू की मम्मी दोबारा करती थी, फिर कोई देखता नहीं था. तो एक बहुत ही अजीब सा टाइम था, एंड आते रहता है वो टाइम, बिकॉज working on social media is so dynamic. Like the change is just, it is a constant, right? Like every day things are changing.
Yeah.
It's so hard to keep up with the algorithm, with the app changes, with people's taste and attention span, and trends. So it's been a bit of a journey that way कि अब क्या करना है, अच्छा अब क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, वो क्या लग रहा है. The only thing I feel like I've learned in the last few years is that I want to, not to say stop thinking about audience wants, but I feel like I don't want to get swayed away. बार-बार पूरे टाइम में पहले सोचती थी कि ऑडियंस को क्या चाहिए, ऑडियंस को क्या चाहिए, और वो इतना कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑडियंस भी तो वैरायटी है ना, कोई यूनिसन में तो बात नहीं कर रहे. तो अब मैंने ये सोचना शुरू किया है कि आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक व्हाट आई रियली वांट टू मेक, what gives me the most joy and excitement कि मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट करना है, या मुझे ये कहानी बतानी है, मुझे माइक्रो ड्रामा करना है, या मुझे ये शॉर्ट फिल्म बनानी है. और फिर I feel like when you do those things with so much love and excitement and fire within you, ऑडियंस को भी अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि वो genuineness, वो honesty दिखती है उस काम में. And I do feel that obviously I've outgrown some people जो शायद पहले मुझे फॉलो करते थे, अब नहीं करते. देयर आर न्यू एडिशंस जो अब फॉलो करते, पहले नहीं करते थे, तो वो तो चलता रहेगा. आई फील लाइक वो मैं ऐसे बांध के नहीं बैठ सकती कि मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगी कि ये लोग मुझे छोड़ के ना जाएं, और हमेशा मैंने, आई थिंक वो इम्पॉसिबल भी है. वो मैंने इसीलिए अब सोचना छोड़ दिया. पहले मुझे लगता था कि यार लोग तो उनको वो नहीं मिल रहा जो उन्हें देखना था, वो कहीं और चले गए हैं या कुछ व्हाटएवर. तो आई फील लाइक अब मैंने वो सब सोचना छोड़ दिया है. अब मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपनी खुशी के लिए वो करना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि जब मैं वो करती हूँ तो वो ऑडियंस को भी अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah, talking about micro dramas, tell me, where did the inspiration for like Best Worst Date come from?
Best Worst Date. So basically for micro drama the inspiration was because I am a millennial. I have grown up on long form content.
Yeah.
लंबी वीडियोस देखने की आदत है, और अब चल रही हैं छोटी वीडियोस. तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि लिखने में भी, जब मैं लिखती हूँ तो मैं हमेशा थोड़ा लंबा ठहराव के साथ सोच के लिखती हूँ. और मुझे बीच में इरिटेशन होने लगी थी कि यार मैं 30 सेकंड की वीडियो में और 1 मिनट की वीडियो में कैसे इतनी सारी चीज़ें डालूँ, फीलिंग्स मैं बहुत घबरा गई थी. तो फिर मुझे एक आइडिया आया कि यार क्यों ना मैं एक लंबी कहानी लिखूँ और फिर उसे डिवाइड करूँ. एंड ऑब्वियसली अटेंशन स्पैन वाली बात है, तो ये ज़रूर करना पड़ेगा कि शायद हर एपिसोड क्लिफ हैंगर और ये सब डालना पड़ेगा सो दैट वो वापस आएँ. तो हमने ये कोविड में ट्राई किया था विद दिस स्टोरी कॉल्ड कोविड लव स्टोरी. फिर हमने उसके 2 सीजन किए, एंड देन बेस्ट फर्स्ट डेट हैपेंड. एंड आई फील लाइक बेस्ट फर्स्ट डेट का इंस्पिरेशन ये था कि I just love rom-coms.
Yeah.
I think they are a fab, genre to have. And also I felt कि rom-coms, at least उस time पे, इस साल तो हमारे पास फिर भी 2-4 rom-coms आ गए. But उस समय पे 2024, last year only. लास्ट ईयर तक हम लोग बहुत क्रेव नहीं कर रहे थे rom-coms के, कुछ अच्छा रोमांटिक नहीं आ रहा है ये वो. तो आई थिंक वो एक वो था कि मुझे लगा मैं बनाती हूँ ना कुछ. तो एक आइडिया आया कि एक ब्लाइंड डेट गॉन रॉन्ग, ब्लाइंड डेट पे गए, किसी और से मिल लिए, बट उससे प्यार हो गया, बट फिर वो ऐसा निकला, बट फिर ओरिजिनल ब्लाइंड डेट, सो लव ट्रायंगल, दिस दैट, सब हमने वो ट्राई किया उसमें. And I've had a lot of fun now. We've done season 3 also for it. So it's been big journey, and it's been really exciting. We also shot season 3 in my hometown, so that was also a big full circle moment for me.
Yeah, in fact, I was watching it on my way, and every time I saw a sponsor coming in, I was like, wow, congratulations on getting sponsors on it. That's great.
Thank you.
Since it's all about modern dating, I would want to know from you, what do you think is the hardest part of dating in like today's generation?
I think connection, no?
Yeah.
I think it's harder to connect with people because everybody is we're so engrossed in our like बहुत फास्ट मूवमेंट हो गई है सबकी लाइफ में. तो एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट कर पाना, अपने सब लोग अपनी अपनी लाइफ के अपने उसमें फोकस्ड हैं, करियर्स पे फोकस्ड है. तो आई थिंक एक जेन्युइन कनेक्शन ढूंढना हैज बिकम अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. ऊपर से आई ऑल्सो फील पर्सनली दैट too many fish in the sea वाला सीन हो गया है कि because of social media.
I know, किसी को मिल नहीं रहा, कोई
नहीं मतलब मिल नहीं रहा in the sense कि obviously वो तो है ही कि मिल नहीं रहा है.
हाँ.
But मुझे लगता है especially for boys, I think कि क्योंकि उनको like you know जब तुम सोचो 100 साल पहले आप किसी हॉट बंदे को मुश्किल से कभी देखते हो 6 महीने में एक बार एक हॉट बंदा दिख जाता था, क्रश हो जाता था, कोई फैमिली गैदरिंग में दिख गया,
एयरपोर्ट पे कोई दिख जाता था,
कोई ऐसे, राइट? अब तो हमारे फीड्स पे भरे पड़े हैं.
करेक्ट,
राइट? गर्ल्स बॉयज बोथ, लाइक वी ऑलवेज कीप थिंकिंग के आई थिंक देयर इज अ मेंटालिटी नाउ दैट मे बी देयर इज समथिंग बेटर, सो पीपल डोंट वांट टू गिव देयर ऑल टू दिस. They're always thinking कि शायद you know I think commitment phobia भी बहुत बढ़ गया है, वो सब है. तो I think that genuine connection, that old school romance, वो थोड़ा missing मुझे लगता है. I think that's a bit of an issue because technology की वजह से everybody feels like oh but I can reach out to this person, maybe I'll DM that person, maybe I'll connect with this person. ये भी hot है, वो भी अच्छे है, ये भी there's too much option, well, too many options है. OTT पे shows भी देखना होता है, कितना confusion नहीं होता क्या देखने, खाना खत्म हो गया पर show नहीं मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
तो वो वाली बात हो गई है कि जवानी जा रही है पर मिल नहीं पा रहा है कोई.
Yeah, a lot of people talk about कि पहले तो था कि इस जनरेशन में लोगों को अच्छे गाने नहीं बनाने आते, कोई अच्छी पिक्चरें नहीं बन रही. अब हो गया है कि इस जनरेशन को प्यार करना नहीं आता या फिर ये रिलेशनशिप्स को बहुत कैजुअली लेते हैं. Do you agree with that?
I don't think I agree with it. It's see the stereotype comes from somewhere, so I'm guessing majority of the people do feel like that. But I have met a lot of youngsters who are craving that old school vibe, old school romance. अब उन पे तो हम नहीं डाल सकते ना, अब टेक्नोलॉजी तो हमने उन्हें मतलब दे दी है ना, मतलब तो उनकी लाइफ में है, तो इट कांट बी लाइक कि ये ऐसे क्यों है. दे आर अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर जनरेशन एंड देयर टाइम. And I do see a lot of old souls in younger generation also, you know, they crave a different world. That's definitely there. I don't think it's that, but like I said, you know, technology and the way our world is right now, ऑप्शंस वाली चीज तो डेफिनेटली है कि क्योंकि इतने ऑप्शंस हैं तो लगता है कि अभी क्यों सेटल करें, थोड़ा और ट्राई करते हैं, थोड़ा और देखते हैं, थोड़ा और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं.
Correct. I'm going to talk about rings and tell me how did that happen? Your account looks red. I want to know why.
It's because only the ring winners are getting that golden ring on our profile. We can customize our colors.
Oh, you can change that color?
Yeah, I can change it.
And you can change it every time or like? Oh,
I can change it 5 times a day.
How cool.
And we will also be getting our custom hearts. So when you like anything on Instagram, you get that like pink heart, na, that happens. So we, for the 25 people, they're also designing a custom like heart.
Oh, wow.
So I'll have mine coming soon. So when you like something on my page, it'll be a different heart altogether.
Oh, lovely.
So those are the perks of winning the Rings Award. And obviously we also get a ring, proper ring.
Really?
Yeah. They've designed it with, you know, a very big designer. And I mean, I couldn't go to the US because मेरा visa reject हो गया था.
Oh, no.
So मेरे को वो मिली नहीं है, but वो आ जाएगी मेरे पास ring. Actual physical one.
Nice. So I have a segment called What's Worse? Because it's best worst, so I'm going to ask you what's worse. I'm going to give you some like dating things, okay?
Okay.
So first one is, what's worse? Him using "Oh my dolly dolly vitamin ki goli" or him enacting Govinda and saying "dolly dolly 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 dolly." What's worse?
This one, the Govinda one, because I am so traumatized by it. When it had come, I was in school.
Yeah.
And they had released this trailer, and वो trailer में Govinda dolly 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 कर रहा था. And I am from a small town, so everybody knows everybody.
Yeah.
मेरा जीना हराम हो गया था क्योंकि हर कोई लड़का बाइक्स पे, ना स्कूल में जाते तो लड़के नहीं आते बाइक्स पे और वो वैसे ही थोड़ा शैतानी करते हैं. everybody would just come by, stop, beside me and do this dolly, dolly, dolly. And कुछ दिन तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा impossible हो गया था घर से बाहर निकलना.
Okay. Has anybody used the "Oh my dolly dolly" with
Yeah,
the
they
Milky
have,
Way?
but in a nice way. A lot of my friends have.
Okay. Him not being able to decide where to dine, or he has one favorite restaurant and it's terrible. What's worse?
Second one.
Okay. Him telling you their truth, or you finding it on your own?
Oh, of course, me finding it on my own will be worse because it's better he tells me. Honesty is definitely better. So, yeah.
Okay. And of course, this one is really viral on social media. What's worse, physical cheating or mental cheating?
Both. I think both.
No, you have to say one. Like, of course, both are bad. What's worse, though?
There's no worse. For me, both are they are, what do you say? A breaking point. It's done.
Okay.
Either way.
Okay.
Either way.
What's worse, him having multiple girl best friends who love you versus he has one bro who hates you?
What's worse?
Yeah.
The one bro that hates you, I think. I don't mind. Like, as long as people like me, it's fine. I think मुझे ये थोड़ा girl best friend वाला scene और boy best friend वाला scene इतना नहीं समझ में आता. I think when you grow up, you realize ऐसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Yeah.
It's ये थोड़ा youngsters में थोड़ा होता है. When you're younger ना थोड़ा ये drama भी होता है life में कि उसकी best friend उसको हो सकता है maybe she likes him और ये होता भी है.
Yeah.
But when you're older, ये सब खत्म हो जाता है and everybody's friends only because they're friends together.
Yeah.
Mostly, at least the circles that I know. So yeah.
Okay. The last one is him not knowing any hook step to iconic Bollywood songs versus him hiding that he knows lyrics to every Chichora lyrics by heart.
I think him hiding it worse because I don't want my partner to hide anything. And I love Chichora songs. So
What is your favorite Chichora song?
Hua chokra chamare chamare chamare.
Perfect. Thank you so much. But before we wrap, I want you to tell me, like, if we meet in the next 1 year, what is one achievement you want for yourself?
I would want you to interview me next time and ask me about the movie I have directed.
Which movie would it be? Is it a Bollywood movie, Hollywood movie?
I don't know.
Is it a Dollywood
No,
film
I'm just
production?
manifesting. Dollywood.
Okay.
But I'm manifesting.
Okay. Perfect. I hope that happens. And
Yes.
thank you so much for giving us
Thank
time.
you.
It was lovely talking to you.
Same here. I had a lot of fun.